Hey everyone, are you ready to unlock the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? Our brand new Crypto CFD trading course is your one-stop shop to learn everything you need to know. What you'll learn. This jam-packed 5-lesson program takes you from crypto newbie to confident trader. Our expert instructors will guide you through everything, from the basics of the crypto market to advanced trading strategies. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your skills, this course equips you with the knowledge and tools to navigate this dynamic market and make informed decisions. Deep dive. The cryptocurrency market. Let's start with understanding what cryptocurrency actually is. It's a digital currency, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of banks. The crypto market is a 24/7 operation, meaning it never sleeps, and prices can move quickly. This volatility can be exciting, but also risky. Despite its young age, the crypto market is booming, attracting more and more people who see it as a valuable alternative to traditional currencies. Cryptocurrency CFD trading explained. Now, let's talk about CFD trading. This is a way to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements without actually owning the coins themselves. You enter a contract with a broker, basically agreeing to pay the difference in price between when you enter and exit the trade. This can be a flexible and potentially profitable way to trade, but remember, it also comes with higher risk. You could lose more than you initially invest. Mastering the crypto lingo. To become a crypto whiz, you need to understand some key terms. We'll break down things like blockchain, the secure record-keeping system behind crypto. You'll also learn about FOMO, fear of missing out, and HODL, holding on for dear life, to popular mindsets in crypto trading. We'll identify the whales, those major players who can move the market, and explore DeFi, decentralized finance, a revolutionary movement shaking up traditional finance. Plus, you'll discover stable coins, altcoins, and how mining works. Ready to take control? This course is your key to unlocking the potential of cryptocurrency trading. Enroll today and join the exciting world of crypto.